In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your Mailchimp account from Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're looking to streamline your integrations or simply need a fresh start, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process. So let's get started. To begin, you'll want to log into your Acuity Scheduling account. Make sure you have your login details handy, as this will be your first step toward disconnecting the integration. Once you've accessed your account, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll want to locate the section labeled Integrations. Clicking on this will take you to a central hub of your connected apps, providing an overview of various integrations you might be using. Now scroll through the list of integrations and focus on finding the one labeled Mailchimp. This is where all your email marketing integrations are configured. You should be looking under the category titled Integrations you're using. This ensures you can quickly pinpoint which connections are active, thereby helping you manage them effectively. With Mailchimp located, you'll see an option to edit this connection on the same line. Click on Edit to proceed. The next step in the process is pivotal as you get closer to disconnecting Mailchimp from Acuity Scheduling. You'll now see various settings related to this integration. What you're looking for is a button or link that says Disconnect Account. Selecting this option initiates the disconnection process and removes the link between your Acuity account and Mailchimp. Before the disconnection is finalized, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up is essentially a safety measure to prevent accidental disconnections, ensuring that this is indeed the action you want to take. In the confirmation dialog, you'll see an option labeled OK. Clicking OK will affirm your decision and successfully disconnect Mailchimp from your scheduling account. And there you have it, a simple, streamlined approach to managing your integrations. By following these steps, you've effectively disconnected your Mailchimp account from Acuity Scheduling, and you can now proceed with new integrations or explore other functionalities within your scheduling platform. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident in managing your online tools. For more tips and tutorials, feel free to explore our other resources. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.